Welcome friends, I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you the story of my sister Saroj. With the help of this video, you will get some entertainment as well as your English speaking will also improve. So let's start today's video. I have a sister, her name is Saroj. Saroj got married in 2016 with Ram Vilas. Ram Vilas is my Jijaji and my sister got married with him. On the time of marriage, Ramvilas looked a gentleman and a humble man. I means he seemed like a good man. But after some time, he started to annoy my sister. He belonged to a farmer family. He is also middle class family, and we also belong to a middle class family. He belonged to a farmer family, and he have several acres of land, farming land. Still, he is very greedy. And one day he asked my sister that he did not receive bike bike in the marriage. So my mother gave him his Splendor Plus in later. My mother gave him Splendor Plus. Now Ramvilas, I mean my Jijaji was happy. Now I tell you the second part of the story. The behavior of Saroj Sasuma is not was not very good, and she made Saroj to do all the works all day. Saroj used to make all the food and ate herself at last. So after 6 months of marriage, Saroj Sasuma showed her real face, and when she used to leave, Saroj Sasuma used to leave the home. She used to lock Saroj in the house, in the room, and she put a big lock at the gate. Saroj told me this thing on the phone. I was very surprised. I told this thing to my mom, to my mother, brother, sisters. Means how, why she used to lock my sister in the room. There was a big secret, big story behind this. I am telling you the whole secret. One day, Saroj Saroj got chance to talk to a neighbor. Neighbor was a lady who used to live near the house of Saroj. She told all thing, every story, all story. Few years ago, Saroj Sasuma's husband died. After that, Saroj Sasuma had a lover, had an affair with a man who used to live in the same village. Ramvilas, I mean my Jijaji, was the illegal son of Saroj Sasuma's lover. This was the big secret. When I knew this thing, this matter. I told this thing to this secret. I told this secret to my mother, brother, and sisters, and all the family was very shocked. But we did not say anything because we belong to a daughter family, and in India, daughter family is always on the low, and we always have to obey the we belong to the uh, girls party, so we have to obey the boys family. So we did not say anything, but that's why Saroj Sasuma used to lock Saroj in the house. She never wanted that Saroj talk to anybody and know about this secret. This was the whole secret that I told you. So friends, this was the video. I think you will get some entertainment as well as your English speaking will also improve. If you have liked the video, like, comment and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, write in the comment section.